Sir, in the last videos we covered very clearly about identifiers concept. Sir, now the next thing what I have to discuss, reserved words or keywords. Sometimes we may use the word keywords, reserved words or keywords, right? Now do you know, if you observe your school days, golden days in our life, we never having any worries in our life. Those days are school days, right? Do you know, no one is going to ask when you will get the job, no one will ask when you will get marriage, okay? No such type of commitments, right? Okay, but these days everywhere everyone is going to question when you will get the job, when you will get the marriage, and so on, right? Okay, well, if you remember the school days, first in the school, what things you learn? Have you remembered, right? Alphabet symbols, A, B, C, D, like alphabet symbols we learn. Next, after completing alphabet symbols, what we learned next? Have you remembered? Words, A for, A for apple, B for banana, C for, C for cat, like some words we covered, right? We learned in the school, do you know, like, so these words, what we learn in English, these words are called reserved words related to English. Remember this one, sir. In any language, it may be general speaking language like English or programming language like Python or Java. In any language, there are some words are reserved to represent some meaning or functionality. Such type of words are called reserved words. Sir, if you consider English language, okay, English. In the English language, apple, okay, apple, this word is reserved to represent one type of fruit. Are you getting? Next, banana, this word is also reserved to represent one type of fruit only, right? Sir, cat, this word is reserved to represent one type of animal, cat like. Sir, do you know, like, there are multiple number of reserved words are there, sir. In English, how many reserved words are there? How many are there? Crores. Do you know, if you observe Oxford dictionary, this much size dictionary you can see. So there are crores of reserved words are there in English. That's why learning English is a too much dangerous language, right? Okay, like. But if you consider programming languages like Python, do you know Python? Next, Java. Java, if you want Java also. Sir, here also there are some words are reserved to represent some meaning or functionality. Reserved words are there. In Java, how many reserved words are there, sir? 53 reserved words are there. Oh, when compared with the English language, learning Java is the very easy. Just how many reserved words are there? 53 reserved words are there. Small chota programming language, right? But if you consider our Python contain just 33 reserved words only. Are you getting how many reserved words? 33 reserved words only. If you understand these 33 reserved words, you will become Python expert. Remember this one. So that's why when compared with Java, when compared with English, Python is very small chota programming language. We can learn very easily, right? Okay. So now I will list out all 33 reserved words which are available in Python. Okay. First you have to tell what is the reserved word. What is the reserved word? The words which are reserved to represent some meaning or functionality. Such type of words are called reserved words. Remember that. Sir, let me list out all 33 reserved words in Python. Have a look once. Sir, these are 33. If you want, you can count 33. You can see, sir. Sir, first, true, false, none. Are you getting? Just these are true, false, none like. Next, and, are, not, is operators like. Next, if, elif, else. If, elif, else. Okay. Else, if, elif, else. Okay, like if, else related. Next, while, for, break, continue, return, in, yield. Yield is a keyword in Python. Yield. Next, try, except finally. Sir, the people who are coming from Java, try, catch finally. Instead of catch, here we have to use except finally. Rise, assert. Okay, import from as, class, def, pass, global, non-local, lambda, del, with. Okay, like total how many reserved words are there, how many keywords are there? 33 keywords are there, okay, in Python. Remember, this is the list, sir. Sir, the first question, if you are going to ask, sir, what is the purpose of yield, what is the purpose of global, or what is lambda, or what is the pass? Can you please explain? Like, I will give left and right, because so discussing Python, learning Python language itself is learning all these things. At last you will get much clarity about these. Don't try to understand what the meaning of all these things. Okay, we have to spend some time to get the meaning, functionality of each and everything. But general doubts you may have, sir. So first here have you observed, right? Sir, all these 33 keywords in Python contain only alphabet symbols. Are you getting? You never going to see any underscore symbol. You never going to see any digits. So all 33 contains only alphabet symbols. Contains only alphabet symbols. Okay, like next one more speciality is there. In these alphabet symbols also, everywhere you are seeing lowercase alphabet symbols only, but only 3, sir, uppercase you are going to see. Sir, true, false, none. Have you observed, right? What is the first letter? T uppercase, F uppercase, none uppercase, N uppercase, right? The only except these 3, all the remaining contain only lowercase alphabet symbols only. Remember that, sir. True, false, none. Compulsory T should be uppercase, F should be uppercase. By mistake small t, small f you are using, Python will give left and right. Observe, I will show, sir. So second point, except the following 3, all contains only lowercase alphabet symbols. All contains only lowercase alphabet symbols. Except, sir, the following 3, all contains only lowercase alphabet symbol. Which 3, sir? True. Next, false. Next, none. So for Boolean values, true and false compulsory should be in uppercase. T upper, F upper, and then N uppercase, right? Sir, I have a look once by mistake. If I'm trying to take like this, okay, here I'm taking, sir, A is equal to true, I'm taking, sir. Sir, am I using small true or capital true? Small t or capital T? Small t I'm using. What will happen, sir? Immediately name error, name true is not defined. Sir, I'm unable to see name true, like we are going to get the problem. A is equal to capital true, I'm taking, sir. Capital T the capital. Perfect, it is going to be accepted. What is the value, sir? True itself is the answer we are going to get. Okay, please make sure if you are using small a, immediately error, small t, immediately you are going to get error. So for Boolean values, compulsory you require to take care capital T in the true, capital F in the false, and none means N should be capital. What the meaning we will discuss in detail, right? Sir, next thing, very important point. Observe a bit carefully, sir. Do you know, by seeing these things, you may have some doubt. Sir, if, elif, else, you discuss it, right? But what about switch statement? Sir, in C language I have switch statement, in Java language I have switch statement. Sir, where is the switch statement? Please make sure switch concept is not there in the Python. Switch variables concept not there in the Python. Okay, remember. Next, similarly, sir, I have while loop is there, for loop is there, but we missed one more loop, do while. So do while, such a type of looping concept is not there in Python. Okay, do while, there is no such a type of concept. Okay, well, sir, these concepts are not applicable in Python. Switch statement is not there, do while, this concept is also not there, sir. Next, one more point. Sir, I saw somewhere in Java, int, float, boolean, char, these are reserved words, but here we are not having any such type of reserved words like The reason for that is in Python, sir, here I am taking a is equal to 10, that's all. Am I required to declare type explicitly like int type? No, because Python is what? Dynamically typed programming language. We are not required to declare the type explicitly. Based on value, automatically type will be considered. So being programmer, you never going to use type explicitly, right? That's why int, float, boolean, such type of reserved words or keywords are not required. Remember, int, float, complex, such type of keywords are not required in Python. So what are various reserved words are there or keywords are there? Next, what are the rules, right? Contain only alphabet symbols except first 3, all the remaining contain lowercase alphabet symbols only. Next, switch statement, do while, that concepts are not there. Next, int, float, complex like data types are not reserved words in Python. Everyone can able to understand? Sir, I want to know, can you please show practically, these are the only available reserved words. I want to see, sir, can you please show practically? Like, yes, there is a way, sir, I will show programmatically, right? What is the way is, sir, here observe that import keyword, there is one module is there named with keyword module is there. What is the module? We will discuss. Sir, keyword dot kw list, keyword list. If you can ask keyword module kw list, it is going to list down all 33 reserved words or keywords present inside Python. Shall we check this one, sir? Have a look once. Okay, I'm taking import, can you please spell out, sir? I forgot. Import keyword, okay, like next, keyword dot kw list, keyword list, kw list. Now have a look once, sir. These are the keywords what we have in Python, sir. These are various keywords whatever there in Python. Let me copy paste these things, right? Okay, observe a bit very carefully, sir. Here like we have now here, if you want, you can count these things also, right? Sir, false, none, true, and, as, assert, break, class, continue, def, del, elif, else, except, finally, for, from, global, if, import, in, is, lambda, non-local, not, or, pass, rise, return, try, while, with, yield. Okay, here alphabetical order, it is displayed according to alphabetical order, but anyway, total if you want, you can count 33 reserved words or keywords you can get. That's all, sir. These are various important things related to keywords, reserved words, right? Now I will explain data types concept in the next video. Clear for all of you, right?